So hey guys, for today's video, I'm just eating alone muna. Medyo solo food trip tayo today. So for today's ganap, the students have a film viewing at Laos Event Center here in San Fernando, Pampanga. Super aga nga ng assembly time namin sa school, like ang aga talaga. So I didn't have enough time to prepare breakfast or even eat at home. Buti na lang, my hubby cooked for me before I left. Ang sweet niya, no? Kasi he prepared baon for me. He made veggies or sauteed vegetables and some Hungarian sausage. So hinati-hati niya pa ito into small pieces para madaling kainin. Medyo spicy siya actually pero masarap naman. Perfect panggising. So, the YOLO film started around 10:30 a.m. and habang ginagawa pa lang nila yung introduction, parang nagutom na talaga ako. Kaya around 11 a.m., I quietly stepped out muna and looked for a jeepney and a nice spot where I could just sit down, relax, and eat peacefully. Kasi alam nyo naman, iba pa rin kapag nakakakain ka ng maayos at walang storbo, di ba? So ayun, kain muna tayo. Thank you Lord for the food and of course, thank you hubby for always taking care of me.